Oh, you say you're staying for love, but love doesn't bruise your soul. Your heart knows the truth, it's just scared to admit it. This isn't about revenge, it's about reclaiming your oxygen. But you keep forgiving words that fists later contradict. And "I'll change" sounds sweet until the next explosion hits. So you blame your past, your kids, your empty bank account. Stop. Because love isn't a cage, you're choosing the lock. Delete his number. Block her access. Watch your spine straighten. Stop whispering maybe. Start screaming enough or stay silent. Escape isn't a stroll, it's a midnight sprint through broken glass. And no, you can't fix poison, you flush it. Now, but that trauma bond? It's addiction wearing a wedding ring. Fear of loneliness? Good. Let it guide you toward real love. So run today or rot tomorrow. The door's already open. Because in 10 years, I stayed will taste like ash. But freedom doesn't knock, you kick the door down screaming. Every "I miss you" is a leash disguised as velvet. And that happy couple facade? It's rotting from the inside. Because survival isn't pretty, it's bloody nails and silent exit plans. Stop romanticizing pain. Real love doesn't leave fingerprints on your throat. You're not too broken to leave, you're too alive to stay. Yet you memorize their moods while forgetting your own worth. So breathe, then run. The guilt will fade faster than their lies, because every tear wasted on them drowns your future self. Your patience isn't noble, it's a slow-motion suicide. Wake up, and that perfect apology? It's just bait for the next wound. Stop begging for crumbs. You're starving at a banquet for one, because courage isn't a feeling, it's packing bags at 3 a.m. The prison door's unlocked. Walking out? That's on you. Subscribe or keep choking on apologies they'll never mean.